Hi, I'm Josh Ellsworth with Stahls, and you're watching video number 14 in our 21 video series called Steal This Look. The goal of this video series is to show you the hottest look, the trending items for 2021, and show you how to make them in your business. We also want to help you make profit, and to do that, you have to make the sale. And so we've created a guide that you can download by clicking the link in the description where you can grab all of the photography that we've completed and the video assets that we've completed to be able to sell these looks through to your customer to generate interest. Now, we're on our second video in our construction series as one of the hot markets that are growing. In our last video, you may remember we decorated this 3-button pullover in a Sherpa fabric with our CAD Prints Permatwill product. Now, Permatwill has a companion product that's called Texture Twill. We covered it in that video. Basically, in layman's terms, this is a sublimated patch. It's just a full color patch that you can print with any logo that has heat activated adhesive on the back that can be heat applied to your products. Now today we want to create a bag that pairs well with the garment that we've already created as well as the hat that we showed you in the last video. And to decorate this bag, not only are we going to brand it with Williamson Excavating, which is the name of our fictitious construction company, but we're also going to personalize it with the name. So everybody that works for that construction company, when they're out in the field, they know which bag is theirs. And for the name personalization, we'll be using CAD Cut Thermofilm. Now, decorating bags can be tricky. There's some things you definitely need to know. So let's head over to the heat press and show you how to load it properly and get started. We're over to our Hotronix AutoClam 16x20 heat press as we've been using throughout the entire series. I'm going to change this lower platen because I know there's no way that bag can split open and load onto this 16x20 dimension. I'm going to be using the 6x10, which is one of my favorite platens that I love to recommend people buy with the press when they get started. The 6x10 is great because it's going to allow me to unzip my bag. This is a New Era backpack, so a really high-end, nice product that I want to make sure I get accuracy on. I'm going to split it open, and I'm going to load that panel up onto the press. You can see the zipper is just falling off the edge here, and I have this nice flat print panel now to do my customization. I want to make sure the bag is loaded straight, and then I'm going to go ahead and cover it with a cover sheet and assess my pressure, because anytime you change the platen, you want to make sure your pressure is accurate. So let's lock this machine down. Not much pressure right now, it's reading at a 0. I won't need much pressure because I'm using the smaller platen. So I'm just looking for like a 2 or a 3, enough to get good pressure in contact. Now I have my machine at the recommended temperature for my Texture Twill CAD Prints patch, and I also have it at the recommended time. As I mentioned up front, this is sublimated. It's Texture Twill. It's a really nice gloss result. We've done it in a leather-like look, even though it's just a polyester twill product. I'm going to position that into place, and I want that kind of as the tag at the top of my pouch. Now, because it's sublimated, I'm going to use a cover sheet that's included because I don't want to sublimate my main cover sheet. You can always use thermal tape to hold it in place if you'd like. I'm pretty confident that it's going to stay where it's supposed to when I place down my next cover sheet. Now I'm going to do my name personalization. I'm just going to position it rather, slightly up from my seam here to make sure I have enough room to get good contact. And then I'm going to cover both pieces with a cover sheet. And then lock the heat press down for the recommended time, temperature, and pressure. Now, thermofilm is going to not quite receive the 330 degrees that it calls for, but it only takes 6 seconds. Instead, I'm going to press it for 20 seconds at 300 degrees because this is an item that's going to be laundered. I have a lot of confidence that it'll stick and stay no problems. The press automatically opens. I'll be able to remove the backing from the thermofilm material. It is a hot peel. And then remove the cover sheet from the patch. And let's zip this up and over at the table take a look at our completed result. Completed result looks really sharp. This is a 100% denier polyester bag. Worried a little bit about bleeding through my print, and so thermofilm is a great choice. It's tough, rugged, and white stays white even when printing on polyesters that may bleed. Also, the patch looks extremely nice on here with our textured twill. Has that nice gloss finish that adds a little bit more style, and it's highly durable. It's sublimated, that's on there. Even when you're tossing it around into the car and at the work site, these are products that are going to last. So I think this is a look you can sell, frankly, to any market. We positioned it with our product choices for the construction market, but bags are popular everywhere. So you can have confidence that with the right platen and the right products, you can decorate highly durable bags. Again, if you'd like to market this look specifically or any of the looks in our 21 look series, make sure you click the link in the description below to download the guide and get more information. Thanks for watching.